The name of Misamis Oriental came from the term Misamis, or is inspired by the Misamis Oriental. So basically, the logo elements, if you see, there are 6 leaves sa ato ang logo. What does that mean? So the 6 leaves represent the key areas that the Laguindingan International Airport has served. So you have Misamis Oriental, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Lanao del Norte, Bukidnon, and Camiguin. So and also Marawi. You also have si Marawi here. So those are that's what the 6 leaves actually represent. So the colors naman, yung colors natin is the green is actually a symbol of growth and harmony. So of course, ang harvest, we have to. It still is inspired by the growth and harmony of the Kuyamis. Again, we go back to the Kuyamis or the golden colored coconut trees. And then of course, yellow, it exudes or represents of joy or happiness or warmth. And of course, ang brown, it represents the entire Misamis Oriental. So that is the inspiration of our new brand identity right now. So this is our new brand logo identity. So if you see here, and you can also see this background, the overview of what our new branding actually means. You'll see this story, the story behind or the inspiration. Also, sa ato ang airport dito sa Laguindingan. So it's drawing inspiration from the golden Kuyamis coconut. Our logo celebrates the unity, warmth, and resilience of Misamis Oriental. So this is our the golden Kuyamis is a symbol for we put the meaning to the golden Kuyamis, which is a symbol of connection and culture and care. So that is the meaning or the story behind our new brand. And of course, we also have our social media presence. So we are on Facebook. So sa ato ang Facebook, makakita mo dito sa advisory nato, mga activities sa airport. So for example, kung natin mga, let's say, mga events, ang Christmas events nato. So this will actually be the...
There's like lights, delay, something like that.
We'll also have that. That's also part of our public advisory, Mancon, sa ato ang Facebook. So for now, we have our social media presence sa Facebook. So like and share.